تتنزل الملائكة على المؤمنين لتبشرهم وتزيل الخوف عنهم.
The angels descend upon the believers in order to give them glad tidings and to subside, or to make the fear that is with them subside and to go away.
فعند الاحتضار يتخوف المرء فتتنزل عليه الملائكة وتبشره فيطمئن ويسر ويفرح بلقاء الله، فيفرح الله جل وعلا بلقائه.
So when death approaches an individual, then that which is usually the case is that a servant has fear. So therefore the angels descend and they give glad tidings to that person, which thereby removes the fear that that person has, and instead it is replaced with happiness, such that that servant becomes happy to meet Allah, and that Allah is happy to meet his servant.
وللقبر ظلمة ووحشة فتتنزل الملائكة على عبد الله المؤمن في قبره فتطمئنه وتبشره.
And in the grave, that which accompanies the servant is darkness and loneliness. So in the grave, angels will descend to that person, thereby giving him glad tidings.
وعند القيام من القبور يكون المرء في حال خوف ولا يدري أين يذهب به إلى الجنة أو النار، فتتنزل عليهم الملائكة في هذه الحال تؤنسهم وتبشرهم.
And when an individual is raised alive on the day of judgment, then indeed the people will be in a state of extreme fear. For indeed they don't know where they're going to go. Are they going to go to the Jannah, or are they going to go to the hellfire? So whereby the angels will descend upon them, giving them glad tidings and comforting them.
وتقول لهم كما قص الله جل وعلا ذلك في كتابه العزيز عن الملائكة أنها تقول للمؤمنين نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون نزلا من غفور رحيم.
And there is that which the angels will say to the believers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned it in the Quran, that the angels will say to them that we were your awliya, we were your friends and your protectors and your allies in the life of the dunya and likewise in the life of the akhirah. And now for you is whatever you desire and whatever you want. This is a great provision and an excellent dwelling place for the believers.
وكلما أكثر المؤمن من دعاء الله جل وعلا وذكره وشكره والعمل بطاعته أذهب الله جل وعلا عنه الوحشة والخوف وأبدل ذلك بالأنس والرجاء والاستبشار.
And the more that a servant obeys Allah and makes dua to his Lord, calls upon his Lord, the more that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will cause that fear and that grief and that sadness to go from that individual. And indeed he will rather replace it with comfort and help and love and affection and hope.
فالمؤمن يكثر من طاعة الله جل وعلا وخاصة في حال رخائه وتمكنه من العمل.
So therefore it is upon the believer that he strives to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially in their times of ease and prosperity and in their time of good health.
فإذا اجتهد المسلم في طاعة الله جل وعلا في حال رخائه وأنسه، فالله جل وعلا يتفضل عليه في حال شدته وكربته بالفرج والتيسير منه سبحانه.
So if a Muslim strives to obey Allah Azza wa Jal in the easy times, when they have good health, then Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala will likewise return that favor by looking after that servant in their difficult times and in their times of adversity and their calamities, by making their affairs easy and by making a way out from their difficult situations.
قال الله تعالى: ومن يتق الله يجعل له مخرجا.
And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Quran, and whosoever fears Allah, then He will make a way out for him.